Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. I was shopping in Lidl, like you do, and I came across these, and I've never bought these before. Mini naans or mini Peshwari, and I thought these would make excellent small snack naanizzas, and we love a naanizza in this house. So it's nearly home time for the boys, so I'm going to make some for us. Yeah. So come and have a look at the ingredients. So I've got them out of the pack because there actually are 6 in the packet and I don't need 6, so I'm going to freeze this one. They do actually have sultanas and desiccated coconut in them, so I mean that could make it a sort of, give it a kind of a nice twist on the taste, hopefully. So I'm going to decorate these. I've got basic ingredients. This is the tomato base, which I just use one of the, squeezed out some of that and added oregano. And I've used a little bit of water to sort of thin it a little bit. Tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, chorizo and mozzarella. Obviously, you could go to town. Sweet corn. In fact, I might get some sweet corn because Jim loves sweet corn. I've got some in the freezer. So I will add sweet corn to this. I decorate them, and I really want to see if 4 will fit in the kasori. That's the plan. So let's crack on, decorate these, and get them in the kasori. And then, I am actually really hungry because I haven't had lunch. So this is perfect. See you in a bit. Okay, there we are. I've just put pepper on mine because I like pepper, but the boys won't like that. So let's get these in. So this is why this air fryer accessory is so good. Let's move it along. Hopefully, I reckon there will be enough room. Hopefully, famous last words, but. Ooh. Or maybe not. Oh, that's tricky. Sure there is room. Right. Let's try and get this one in. I want all 4 to be in. Oh. Go on, you can squeeze him. Well, it's a squeeze, but all 4 do fit at a slight angle. I'm going to put this on bake setting because the mozzarella's on top to weigh everything down, because I have found that things do fly about. So let's get it in the kasori, get it on the bake setting, and I mean, I'm winging it time-wise because I'm not actually sure, but I'm going to say 15 minutes on 160 just to see what happens. I might check it. I will check it, and then I might extend time if I need to. See you in a bit. Okay, 5 minutes left, so I'm going to have a little check. Oh, wow. 10 minutes then. 10 minutes. Looks perfect to me. Right, let's get these on the plate and have a close look, and then be back for a taste test. Can't wait. Oh, well, perfect timing because Jimmy's just got back from school and he's just taken his. They do have full access to fruit and veg, honestly. So, but the occasional after school naanizzza is all right. Yes, so that's my peppery one. which I'm going to have. I just wanted to see the underside. It looks pretty alright to me. Like cooked. If you had a normal air fryer that doesn't have a bottom element, what I would do, because I did this in the Ninja, is I would just cook the naans for 3 minutes on air fry, or 2 to 3 minutes before I put my toppings on, so that it gives the the bottoms a chance to be cooked if they're facing upwards, and then you can just put your toppings on. That's a good way of otherwise it could be a bit soft. But these are brilliant. These work well. I'll put these away because they're for Jack to come. He'll be arriving soon. So let's have a taste test. Oh, hot. Mmm. Oh yeah. That's really lovely. That really is. I mean, with the I really love concentrated tomato in that thing, because it's really reasonably priced. 59p for 200 grams. Add a bit of oregano, a little bit of water, and you've got yourself a topping. Or if you wanted to splash out a bit, put pesto as a tomato topping instead. I'm gonna try some more. The naan is lovely. Perfect. I do tend to freeze my mozzarella if I'm not going to use any more of it for a little while, because it will go off in the fridge. And sometimes I freeze it in small bags, because there's probably quite a lot left for future whatevers. I'm going to carry on and eat this. It is delicious. Those mini naans. I love them. I'll definitely buy them again and have them in the freezer. Very handy for a weekend lunch for the kids or whatever. Really, really lovely. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye. Oh yeah, I'm starving.